To roll options in Webull, start by logging into your account and navigating to the trade page. Rolling options involves closing an existing option position and opening a new one with the same strike price but a later expiration date. This strategy is often used to maintain a position while avoiding expiration. First, select the Options tab and find the position you want to roll. Click on the position to view its details. Webull will display the current price, strike price, and expiration date. Next, click the Close button to initiate the closing process. You will be asked to confirm the closure of your position. Once confirmed, the position will be closed and the proceeds will be added to your account. Now, to roll the option, click on the Buy or Sell button to open a new position. Select the same strike price and underlying asset as the original position, but choose a later expiration date. Webull will display the available expiration dates and the corresponding option prices. When selecting the new expiration date, consider the time value of the option and the potential impact of events such as earnings, announcements, or economic releases. It is essential to choose an expiration date that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. After selecting the new option, review the trade details and confirm the order. Webull will execute the trade and update your portfolio. It is crucial to monitor your positions regularly and adjust your strategy as needed to maximize your returns. Rolling options can be an effective way to manage your portfolio and maintain your positions. However, it is essential to understand the risks and rewards associated with options trading and to develop a comprehensive investment strategy. By following these steps and considering key factors such as time value and expiration dates, you can successfully roll options in Webull and achieve your investment objectives.